I'm back to our video. This is our trade recap that we took yesterday. As always, it's always market structure first. Then we understand where the market is moving. If you look here closely, you can understand the market is moving up external structure, right? And then you have to go down to internal market structure too. But for the external market structure, we had our last break of structure to the upside. Then we had our external market structure shift to the downside. Then we had a continuation break of structure to the downside. And later on, the price disrespected this zone. Then we had our change of character to the upside, external market structure. So we had to move down to internal market structure on 15 minutes hour time frame. Then we had our break of structure to the upside, but this time around, this break of structure to the upside is internal. Then we had to mark out our order block, which was this one, right? So our plan was very, very simple. Scenario number one was to wait for the price to come back here. Then we look for buy confirmation. Then we continue buying this price, targeting this liquidity. Then scenario number two was like, if the price disrespect this order block, we're gonna wait for the break, then a retest, a break, a retest, then a continuation to a retest here, then look for sell confirmation, then we continue selling. So we had to wait patiently. You can see we had that New York open, then we had that clean, tap in, but the price still didn't give us any confirmation, any buy confirmation, right? Then you had to be patient. After price disrespecting this zone, then you had a change of character to the downside, but still it's internal market structure, right? Then after this, we had this, then you had to move to 30 minutes. Then you waited for the break, then a retest. After that retest, it was very, very simple. Then you had to get into our trade and this entry here. Then we had to put our stop loss just above the breaker block because this was another block. It turned into a bearish breaker block, right? Then you had to put our target just below here with a nice 1 to 4 risk to reward. So we had to be a little bit just more patient, and then we wait for the price. Then the price came in, tagged us in cleanly. Then it was just a waiting game to wait for the price to go down to our take profit to clean all this liquidity. So we got that clean 1 to 4 risk to reward after targeting this swing low here, and it was a very, very, very clean trade. And such trades, I always share them in my VIP Telegram channel, plus the setup and outlook and the weekly outlooks. See you in the next one. Peace out.